In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a long-term goals project in Asana. We'll create a simple, structured project that lets you plan goals by time frame, add tasks with due dates, and track priorities so you always know what to focus on first. Start by opening your browser on your computer and heading to asana.com. Click Login and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Projects to open your Workspace's project area. Next, create a new space for your goals. Click the New Project button, which appears as a plus icon, then select Blank Project. Give your project a clear name. Type Long-Term Goals. Choose the list layout so you can see tasks in a clean vertical format, and then click Create to set everything up. Now let's build the structure that will keep your goals organized. Click Add Section and type 1-year goals, then press Enter to add it. Click Add Section again, type 6-month goals, and press Enter. Repeat one more time to create 3-month goals and press Enter. These sections act like buckets, letting you sort goals by horizon so you can see what's coming up and what's further out. It's time to add your goals as tasks. Under the section where a goal belongs, click Add Task and type the goal in clear, actionable language, like Launch Website Redesign or Reach 10% Revenue Growth. Press Enter to save each task and quickly add more. You can repeat this for as many goals as you have across the 3 sections. Click any task to open its details. Click Due Date and choose a realistic date that matches the time frame of the section. If you're working with others or just want to assign it to yourself, click Assign and select the person responsible. Assigning ownership helps ensure accountability and makes tracking progress easier. To keep your focus sharp, add a priority field. Click Customize in the top right corner of your project, then click Fields. Choose Add Field and select Create New Field. Name it Priority, choose Dropdown as the field type, and add the options High, Medium, and Low. Click Create. You can now set a priority for each task so the most important work always stands out. As plans evolve, you can easily adjust timelines by dragging tasks between sections. If a goal needs to move from 3-month goals to 6-month goals, just drag and drop. This simple structure keeps your long-term vision organized while giving you the flexibility to adapt as you go.